Hi everyone, it's Neil. Thanks for joining me in my kitchen today. And today I have this. This is Warheads Extreme Sour and these things called Frooties. And so what these are, I'm gonna try one of these here first. My son opened up the package, but let's go ahead and try one of these and see how sour it really is. And holy moly. Okay. I'm gonna say that was super duper crazy sour. Okay, but then we have these Frooties. And so what this is supposed to do is if I roll this around in my mouth, it's supposed to make the sour stuff taste sweet. So we're gonna go ahead and give this a shot and see how it works, because this is crazy, because that thing is super sour. Okay, so I take one of these, and here, what it says, it simply turns, and it says what I'm supposed to do is place a Miracle Fruity on your tongue and roll it around very slowly. Don't swallow the tablet. After it's melted, feel free to eat any sour food. Okay, well, I'm rolling it around. It's got a little bit of a sweetness flavor to it itself. So we'll see how this does. It'll be interesting because man, that thing was, when it says extreme sour, they are talking extreme. Holy moly. I'm rolling it around all around my tongue now. I have no idea how this could work because it just has a very blandish kind of flavor. It doesn't taste like much, but I'm rolling it around. Okay, so there we go. So I've got it now where it's been dissolved in my mouth, and now I'm gonna try the Warhead. And wow, it's just sweet. Holy moly. Maybe that one I had just, let me just try another one. Because that one I probably sucked off the stuff before. Try a brand new one here. It's got a little bit of a flavor in it, but holy moly. That is amazing. I have no idea how this works. Okay, so this is amazing. You gotta just do this just for fun. Pick up a box of these. I cannot believe that it works. Wow. It's just sweet. I gotta try this on lemons and some other stuff too. Okay, so pick this up. I'm gonna put a link to both of these things in my description. So be sure and pick these up and give this a try for yourself, because this is amazing. And subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll be back with some more stuff soon. Thanks, bye.